Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting to a business account and verifying contact details so analytics and ads work. This matters for measuring results. Once done, create 3 to 5 pillar pins, vertical format, bold text overlay, and keyword-rich descriptions so you have assets to test. Make sure the Pinterest tag or analytics snippet is installed on your site. That lets you track clicks and conversions. This early setup accelerates learning and avoids wasted promotion spend, so invest time now. You hone your strategy by researching keywords from the Pinterest search bar and trends so your pins match real intent. Aim for 10 focused keywords per content pillar. Then batch design pins using 2-3 templates to maintain visual consistency. This speeds production and strengthens recognition. Once the visuals are ready, enable rich pins and add descriptive alt text plus natural keywords in the description so Pinterest understands context and surfaces your content in related searches. Next, schedule pins. You publish and schedule your best pins regularly, then watch impressions, saves, and click-throughs so data guides decisions. Once a pin performs, promote it with modest daily budgets and run a /B tests on imagery and calls to action to optimize ROI. If engagement stalls, check the Pinterest tag, canonical URL on your landing page, and mobile rendering. Broken links or slow pages kill conversions. Finally, iterate weekly. Keep winning creative, pause underperformers, and reinvest in formats that drive traffic and sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.